As I mentioned in the previous module, the function to read a CSV file is the read CSV function, and that is exactly what I've done here. I have used my alias to import pandas and used that function read CSV on top of that alias, and I have passed in the path to my file, that is the CSV file, inside the read CSV function. Make sure that your path is in string, and I'll assign that to a variable. Now, the first function we are going to see is the .head function. Now that we have assigned that data frame to a variable df, which we mostly use and is just a short form of data frame, feel free to call this any variable that you want. You can use df_sales, for instance, just to identify it with that data if you are reading multiple data in one Jupyter notebook. The function is the .head, and just like you may have guessed, it shows us the first 5 rows of our data frame, that is our data set. And as you would see here, that is what exactly it has done. It has shown us the first 5 rows of our data set.